settings.
Pistol side, Astralis, starting on the T side. Gambit, it's their turn to defend. Not just defend this pistol, not just defend this half, but defend the 1-0 lead that they have at the moment. Device and Kiavi. With the bomb in banana at the moment. And even as a pistol, Hobbit will still be left on his own. So I hope for Gambit's sake, they've got a retake strategy in mind. They've all got Kevlar, no retake range whatsoever, but they've got 4 towards there on this pistol. See what the read is on the stride. Yes, they are showing presence towards banana for the time being. The Dupree and Zipex are at arms. So they're not giving anything away just yet, Astralis. Now Dren has made his way back.
Calm before the storm. Let's try to wait to see if there's to be a poke from Gambit, but they're not feeling all that pokey right now, just holding their positions. No prodding at all, but it's going to be required of Astralis soon. They need to get that bomb planted. 50 seconds to go now, and they've decided, after assessing the situation, they considered fashion. That's A will be the bomb site of choice. So that's a good choice too. There's only 2 members here for Gambit. They are aiming to play retakes, but we'll see how well Mo is playing here on map 2. As he will be perhaps the first to see action for Gambit.
Mo spotting one play, but not spotting the bomb. They barrel out of the balcony position and Clay gets himself the first kill. A much needed kill for Astralis, but he needs it round as well. It continues to go the way of Astralis, the short gun, the plant from Inferno's walls is here. It's used as a cheeky fracture, but I think he was blocked by the way there. Either way, he gets a kill. The bomb has been planted. Time's up the interest now for Gambit. They're all here on the side. And another smoke comes for you.
Yeah, pretty insane stuff there from him, and he's really carved an opening here for the remainder of Gambit to try to get this defuse coming. The bomb is ticking really quickly at this point. It's Dren going in really close on the side. Can't win the engagement. It's going to be Hobbit left now against 3. That's a nice headshot, but can he get the rest? Will he have time? So many questions here for him to answer. So much pressure. It's going to be Dupree to shut it all down. And Astralis win the first pistol here on Inferno.